Hi, Connor, and today we're going to be making rigid bodies. And I've made a little level here with some lights, and you can just build one really quickly. And we're going to click on the content browser button, which is right here. There's also another way to get it, but this is the simplest way. So let's click on that. And once you do, you'll get this window. Let's maximize it so it's easier for searching around. You'll get a bunch of images, and you don't want to mess with those right now. But what we do want to do is check this little box right next to static meshes. And this is going to narrow our search down to just static meshes. There is a setting on the static meshes that we want to make sure is enabled, and that setting is collision models. So make sure that the mesh does not have the no collision model, as you can see there in the little settings there. But make sure it's like this, where it just tells you the stuff and does not say no collision model. We're going to narrow down the search even further by typing wall, and that's going to narrow down the search to static meshes that are walls, or have the wall in the name. And we can see that we have a good selection of walls here. I'm going to grab this one and just drag it right into the level, and we see it adds it right in. So if we were to hop into the game right now, just let me build the lighting very quickly. But if we were to hop into the game right now and shoot at the wall would not fall down. And if we try to push it around with the physics gun, the wall would not move either. So let's hop into the game really quickly. Just play from the viewport. You can see that no matter what angle we try to move the wall around in or shoot it from, it won't move. And there's a very easy solution to this. All you want to do is select your wall, not bring up the properties, but right click on your wall and mouse over the convert and click on convert static mesh to KA actor. And this tells it now you have physics enabled. So if we hop into the game right now, you can see that we can shoot the wall down really easily. And we can pick it up and drag it around. But if we were to raise it over the air and then play from here, you would expect the wall to fall down. And some people actually want that to happen. If you shoot it, it tells the wall, activate your physics now, and you will fall down. But if you want to activate it immediately and tell it to fall down immediately, you want to double click on it or click on it and press F4 and click the KA actor, and it'll expand it. And we wanted to tell it to wake up on start. This is telling it that it does not need another moving object to make it activate the physics. And it was saying, you start the physics right when the level starts. I'll play in the viewport again. You can see the wall falls very quickly. It falls exactly the same time the player enters the level. So you may want to raise those objects up into the air a little higher if you're going to use them. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to see future tutorials.